So what we say? Let's start from normally select. We are seeing about date, no? Okay. What is this giving? It is giving you timestamp. You see, timestamp with the time zone. Timestamp with the time zone where you are. See, according to the time zone, database will change the time, because database you can install in different instances. So, okay, if you talk about America this time, it's night time. If you talk about UK, it's like midnight. Okay, so some places like Australia and all, it is afternoon already. It's afternoon already. So now, according to the timestamp, this will change. Okay, this will not be same for everyone. If a person orders from, so now you are maintaining a database. Okay, if a person orders from Australia, that particular timestamp will be very different. So we need a timestamp like this. Say tomorrow you sit in a corporate, it is not about current time. You need to think about the timestamp of whole people. Okay, so how it will support? You select tomorrow, if new database comes, you need to think whether it is supporting a timestamp in all locations or what, how it is. So tomorrow you want to take out the result like based on a timestamp. So how many people have been logged in from different countries? How will you find out? Maybe you could have captured a country. If the person is not captured, if the person is not registered in your website, but he is only visiting. Just he is visiting. So he's a visitor, but not a customer. So how you want to convert into a customer is also one question. So how will you find out? So you will keep a log. This person has visited. Okay. From logs, I need to find out, right? Tomorrow to fetch the people data and find out, okay, this person what do you say? IST, like IST person only, Indian timestamp person only came, but not registered. First follow up them. So make them register. Sir, you came to our website, you didn't register. Please register, sir. Like that. Clear? So now what is the point here? Select now means now is a function which will give us a current timestamp with the time zone. With the time zone. So that's a particular point you need to remember. Okay, now function. Okay. Apart from this, so we have one more function called current date. What is this? Current date. Only date will be given. Can I extract a date from timestamp? Yes, you can do that. So now, okay, I'll say date, : date. This is called typecasting. What is that? Typecasting. I'm converting a timestamp to date. Clear? Clear? So apart from that, what we have? So current date we saw. Apart from this, current date, current time also is there. Current time also is there. Current underscore time. So if you see here, what happened? Current time also came. One thing did you observe? Current date. So did you observe one thing here? So what did you observe? Here I'll run 3 queries. Okay, I'll run 3 queries. You should tell me what did you observe. First one I'm running. Okay, this one I ran. Okay, next I ran this one. Okay, next I ran this one. So what did you understand? Again I will repeat. Again I'll repeat. Current now, date, time. What did you understand? So if I do current date plus current time, it is nothing but now. So now means what? Current date and current time is nothing but a now. Purida? So if especially if you want only particular date to a column, so put the data type as current date. If you want to capture a timestamp also, time means time also in milliseconds, put that as current. Only you want to capture a time. Tomorrow there may be a requirement. There is nothing like there may not be a requirement. Tomorrow it may be a requirement to you. Okay. So when you design the table, you need to think, you need to understand, you need to have an idea. Okay, we have a data type called timestamp. Only timestamp. Not with the date, without date. Normally we have a timestamp with the time zone is correct, but it will unnecessarily capture again a date, no? So then what you need to do? You need to bifurcate it. You need to avoid it. You need to extract it. Correct. So that is the point. Clear? So from this, what did you understand? We have a data type called current date and current time also. These are data types. Clear? So how did you identify these are data types? Because of, see here, the color. So tomorrow, if you say this is a function, this is not a data type. I didn't tell you that's a data type. This is a function. Why it is a function? Because it has braces, 2 years. Braces. Clear? So from this, what did we understand? Next one, current date plus current time, that is completed. Current timestamp will also be another data type. Current timestamp. So current timestamp. Apart from this, we can mention it as select current timestamp. Okay, current timestamp. Huh? That's what, no? It is saying, what is this? Current timestamp with the time zone. Same only, no? Even you can specify, you can, when you are designing a table, let us consider you are designing a table, okay? Table shop, okay? Just for specifying, I'm saying, okay? Tomorrow you said there's the shop name, something name, okay? Where cat, okay? Where cat is there, and I'll say, okay? So what is that? You want to find out what is my rather than a shop name, orders, I can say again, okay? I'll say orders. What is a product ID? Okay, let us consider. What do you want to capture now? I want to capture the transaction time. Okay, I'll say timestamp without time zone. This is also possible. Means I don't want a time zone, but I want a timestamp. So what is the difference between a time and timestamp? So what is the current time? Means time with the time zone. Okay, now without the time zone, you will get a timestamp. Yeah. So timestamp is also a, once again, we can create or not, we'll see. So we know this, but with the only timestamp I never created, we'll also see whether it is possible or not. Orders already exist. So we'll say My orders. Yes, it's timestamp also. I did it. Clear. So from this we have understood bit of timestamp. So now we are from timestamp. We want to find out only time. So what is that colon colon? Double colon is a data type conversion. As I told you, data type conversion is a data type conversion. Remember? So what we are doing, we are having a current timestamp. From that, we want to extract a time, only time, but not milliseconds and seconds. Clear? This we saw. This we saw. Now, what is another function we have is a date part. Date part. Tomorrow, you want to do analytics. You have a, what do you say? So this is about business analyst. Okay. So what we are doing, not as an SQL developer. If you are a business analyst and you want to extract some data, you have a data in your hand. Let us consider. So let us consider you have Olympics, what is 100 meters running race data from long 1900 to 2021. Let us consider. Now you want to understand which country won medals and which what do you say, in which meter race the people of this country won more gold medals, and which age, which age. So now see what they will capture a timestamp. That's it. So this year this particular person has completed in this many seconds, and this was completed at this date. And so now let us consider you have a current timestamp for all of them. Now you want to extract, like, what do you say, in which month it was conducted. So now date part, month of that particular timestamp. Okay, so date part will take two parameters. What is that? Date part will take two parameters. Select date part. Date part is a function. What is that? Date part is a function. So year. Okay, what year will do? Extract the year from where? Current. So it will take the query of a current timestamp. So you need to pass the current timestamp. What is that? Did it came? Did it came? Is it clear? So now if you see, this will be month. In which month? What is the month now? 12. What is the other thing we had? Day. Day. Already date month this one. What is that? What is another one we have? Week. Week. Week WEAK. EAK kada. Oh, 51. We are in 51. Almost wasted. Last 1 week is there. We'll waste 1 more week successfully. So minute, hour. So even a week was not there. Second, minute, hour, second. So now that particular second he won, you can say. At that particular second, so how many, like that particular second, that particular time. So that particular second, how many people ran? How many people were clashing? So they missed in 1 second or 2 seconds. So now see this kind of analytics and all you can do tomorrow. Okay, so now we have this kind of data and we need to do this data and implement it. This is possible. Clear? Arthamainda? Idi minute minute? వచ్చేది అర్థం ఇంగ్లీష్ మీద దాంట్లో గొప్ప లేపుతారు అంటున్నారా? మైన్యూట్ కదా. minor spelling in the point. Well, okay. Right, jokes apart. So serious into the business. So this is about that part. So now see, did you see the point is here? You people are all just listening. Okay. So let me stop this. I don't want to